Hello guys, hope you are all doing well and welcome to another video for Impulse Reaction. In this video we will see how to create a table in MS Excel. So let's start with it. So first of all, just select this data and then in the home section on the top menu bar, you can see here format as table. Just click here and there you can see multiple options. Let's say I select this. Click OK. My table has headers. Check this checkbox. And yes, so it transforms my data into the form of table. Okay, so you can see here that it has given me a drop down box here. In every column of this table. So in the design tab, you can see here, if I click total row, it will give me the total. So it is giving me the sum. Okay, it is giving me the sum of these medals. So what I can do here, I can do multiple functions. For example, if I want to count these numbers, I simply click count. I can also perform other functions, for example, variance. It will calculate the variance. For example, I want to count the average. It will count me the average. For example, for this, I will count what I can count. So it cannot count because it is a text, right? It will only calculate the numerical value. So for age, I can do something here. What is the maximum or minimum? What is the minimum? It will give me the minimum age, that is 16. So I can do multiple things here. So if I uncheck this total row box, it will remove this row just like that. And if I click the first column here, it will just bold the first column. So let's see, just like that. And if I take the last column, it will just bold the last column. And if I uncheck this filter button, it will just remove the filter from the columns like that, right? So there is another way to create a table. For example, you go to the insert section, table, and here it is asking where is the data for your table. So you just select or drag it down and my table has headers. Okay, it will put this into the form of a table. From this you can just edit it for whatever. For example, car, and you can edit these columns. These are editable and you can enter data here. So there is another way of making a table for manual entries. There's another thing which I want to add. So if you just want to add something in this table, you click here. You see, you can just say that if I want to add previous winners, and you just click enter. So this will add as a part of the table. Similarly, it will go for rows. If I just add here John Kennedy, and here you see that John Kennedy has entered in this next row, in this new row. So it will auto adjust the new values or new members, whatever you enter into the form of a table. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like it and see you in the next one with some more topics.